Welcome to PayXpert's Tech Talks. Today's topic is the back office and how to export information. The export function is another powerful back office tool that gives you access to your data for better decision making. Use the export button at the top right of your transaction list to export transaction information. When you click Export, a drop-down menu appears. Convenient downloadable formats include CSV, HTML, XML, JSON, and text. Choose to either download a single page or all transactions from your current list. To export with the All feature in the Export menu, you must first filter your transactions, otherwise this option remains deactivated. See how to filter transaction video for more specific information on filtering. However, here is a helpful example. Go to Transaction, Filters, enter the date type and the date from to. In the filters Related Entities, enter an originator. Click Filter. The system shows the results and activates the option in the Export menu. Then click the Export button and select the format you wish to download and the blue All button. The system downloads the filtered transactions in your requested format. To export transactions with the credit card information, do the following. Go to Transactions, Filter bar, Credit card field, select the credit card from the drop-down menu options, enter other filters as desired, and click Filter. The system shows the results, and the All button in the Export menu activates. Click the format you wish to download, and the system downloads the requested transactions with the extra credit card information. Exported information only includes masked card numbers, in other words, the first 6 and the last 4 digits of a customer's credit card number for security reasons. That's all for right now on this topic. Please like this video and subscribe to the PayXpert YouTube channel for more great tutorials.